Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Jira login problems, authentication, and permission fixes step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the correct Jira URL and that you are not mixing cloud and data center addresses. Next, test the same URL in an incognito or private browser window to rule out cached sessions. Then, clear your browser cache and cookies for the Jira site and try to sign in again. After that, verify your username or email is typed correctly and that caps lock is not enabled. Now, click the Forgot Password option and complete the reset to confirm your account can receive emails. If the reset email does not arrive, check spam and ask your email admin to allow Jira mail domains. Next, try logging in from a different network or device to rule out local network or VPN issues. Then, check Jira's system status page if you are on Jira Cloud to confirm there is no ongoing outage. If you use single sign-on, confirm you are being redirected to the correct identity provider login page. Next, sign out from your identity provider account and sign in again to refresh the SSO session. Then, verify your system time and time zone are correct, because SSO tokens can fail when time is wrong. Now, ask an admin to confirm your account is active and not disabled or locked due to failed attempts. Next, check if your account requires multi-factor authentication and complete the MFA challenge correctly. Then, if you change phones, use backup codes or ask admin to reset your MFA enrollment. Now, confirm your user is in the correct directory if multiple user directories are configured. Next, ensure your account is added to the right groups that are allowed to access Jira. Then, ask a Jira admin to verify global permissions and confirm you have the Jira user's access. Next, check application access settings to ensure your user has Jira software or Jira service management access if needed. Then, if you can log in but see you don't have permission, test access to a public project to confirm it is a permission issue. Now, have the project admin review the project permission scheme and confirm Browse Projects is granted to your role or group. Next, confirm you are assigned the correct project role, such as developers, users, or service desk customers. Then, if you are a customer portal user, ensure you are added as a customer to the correct service project. Next, check if IP allow listing or access rules are enabled and ensure your current IP is permitted. Then, for Jira Data Center, ask the admin to review authentication logs and the application logs for login errors. Next, for LDAP or Active Directory login, verify the directory connection is healthy and user sync is working. Then, confirm your password policy requirements are met, especially after a recent directory policy change. Next, try a different browser and disable extensions like ad blockers or script blockers that can break login pages. Then, if nothing works, collect the exact error message and timestamp and send them to your Jira admin or support team. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.